Hello guys, good morning and welcome to the beautiful city of Quezon City. And welcome to my vlog. Again, my name is Oscar Nidal and today I will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A6. So let's go ahead and see what's inside in this box. Samsung Galaxy A6 smartphone was launched in May 2018. The phone comes with a 5.60-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1480 pixels. The box comes with a quick start guide and a warranty card and a phone stand. Other accessories found in the box are the SIM card eject tool, the charging cable, the headphone, and the charging brick. And here comes my favorite part, the peeling sound of the new phone. Samsung Galaxy A6 price in the Philippines starts from 15,490 pesos. The Samsung Galaxy A6 is powered by a 3000 mAh battery. And yes, this phone has a headphone jack. And the internal storage is 32GB, but it can be expanded up to 256GB. This phone also features security sensors like fingerprint and Face ID. Both camera at the back and in front are 16 megapixels, and it records at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Unfortunately, it doesn't have an image stabilization. So let's go ahead and check some photos and videos taken from this phone. Hello. Dire. What's up, Metro?